welcome back to my YouTube channel. Remember, all you need to do is just hit subscribe to see plenty more of my videos that are coming up on hair, beauty and nails. But today I really want to talk to you just about how to kind of get out the house really quickly but still have great looking hair. So as a mum on the run, as I call myself, I often get asked at the school, how do you get your hair looking so good in the mornings when you don't have much time, you're busy, you're trying to get out the house? So I thought I'd share with you one of my hairstyles that is just the perfect quick updo. You do need a little bit of length on your hair, maybe not as long as mine. If you've got shorter hair, what you can do is buy some amazing hair pieces and you can just clip it on the back. But I thought, you know what, let's just show you how to do it. It's really easy. So all you need is a hairband and plenty of your little curly grip. So what I'm going to do is just put it into kind of like a loose ponytail, or like a scruffy ponytail, shall I say. So I'm just going to pin it up. Now I don't like mine to be too slick back, so I kind of put it up roughly quite high on my head, like so. Make sure you've got a good band, and then I just pull a few bits forward, like so. As I said, I'm all about volume for me. I don't like flat hair, so I always, even if I've just got a normal ponytail, I'll just pull it forward. So it's there, nice and quick. Now all I'm going to do is take some of my curvy grips, and I'm just literally going to take a couple of sections. I'm going to pick it up, and I'm just going to roll it forward, and then just simply clip it. So all I'm going to do is this all the way round my ponytail. So don't worry at this stage if you get any loose bits just popping out. That's normal. We can tuck them in. So I'm just going to come around this side. And what I would say to you is that actually, sometimes, strangely enough, the more sort of messy as such it is, the better it looks. Sometimes it looks too perfect, as though you're going out for a night out. This is just a quick hair up. Perfect if you haven't got time to, you know, wash your hair, blow dry it, that kind of thing. Then this is kind of my go-to hairstyle. So all I'm doing is just gradually clipping round. I'll turn my head in a minute for you so you can see. Once I've got it roughly clipped, then I'm just going to pull apart the sections just to kind of make it into a slightly messier bun, like so. So if I just turn my head, you can see they're all clipped. So I've just got a little gap here, so I'm just going to clip that together. But remember that actually it doesn't have to be really, really perfect and really, really neat. That's kind of the key here. So again, plenty of curvy grips. Just going to clip it right the way around the back. A little bit of hairspray as well at the end. So it kind of, I would say it probably takes 5 minutes maybe to do. And you're there, you're good to go. You don't look like you've just rolled out of bed. So I'll just turn my head for you so you can see, like so. Nice and neat. Keep this bit just pulled forward so it's nice and relaxed, but you can see it's all clipped in. It feels really sturdy as well. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off. And then all I literally do is just take my hairspray and just give it a spritz over. And that is simply how you do a quick 5-minute hair up, mum on the school run, or even if you're running late for work, you can quickly just put your hair up and you're good to go. So give it a try, and remember, if you want to see plenty more videos, just hit subscribe, and I'll see you soon. See you soon.